Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Amazon tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or archive orders on your Amazon account. So this can be really good if you ordered something embarrassing, or maybe you have ordered a gift and you want to make sure that someone on your account does not know that you purchased it for them. Now in this tutorial, I'll start by showing you how to hide orders on a desktop computer in the browser, and then I'll show you how to do this on your phone. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is simply go to Amazon.com and log into your account. Once you've done that, go up into the top menu and select Returns and Orders. This will load all the orders you've made on your Amazon account. All you need to do is go down to the bottom left of the order that you want to hide, and you'll see Archive Order. So if I select Archive Order, and then it will ask me to confirm I want to archive it. Now keep in mind, you can archive up to 500 orders, and you can always view this later in an archive ordered list that is a little bit harder to get to. So I'm going to go ahead to the bottom and select Archive Order. Then as you can see, it has been hidden from the list of my orders. Now, if I want to view my archived orders, or I accidentally archived an order and I want to unarchive it, all I need to do is select my account up in the top right. Then once you're in your account, scroll down until you see Ordering and Shopping Preferences, and then you should see Archived Orders. Select that. Now we can see all the orders that we've archived. We want to unarchive an order, just select Unarchive Order in the bottom left, and then it will be removed from our archived orders. Now to hide an Amazon order on your phone, either Android or iPhone, there actually is no way to do it in the app. So if I go in the app and I go to Your Orders, you can see the order that we just archived on the desktop, and there's no option to actually archive it. I can select into one of the items, and there's no option to archive the order. So what I recommend doing is actually opening up your browser. Once you get in your browser, go to Amazon.com, log into your account. Now, I'll be doing this on the Firefox browser on my phone, but it'll be very similar if you're in Chrome or Safari. All we need to do is open up the menu for your browser, and usually it's 3 dots in the top right of the app, and find Request Desktop Site or a desktop version, something like that. So as you can see, I have this option right here. It'll reload Amazon to where it looks like it is on a desktop site. From there, I can simply select Returns and Orders. And then as you can see, it will load my order that I just saw like I did on my desktop computer, and I can select Archive Order, and then I can archive it there. So it's going to be the same steps it is on the desktop. You just have to tell your mobile browser to load the site as a desktop. All right, so that's how you hide an order on Amazon. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Amazon tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.